Hello everyone and welcome to our video on how to make money using CPAGrip and Pinterest. These two platforms can help you earn a passive income online. So, let's get started. So, what is CPAGrip? CPAGrip connects advertisers with people who want to make money by promoting their products. Advertisers pay people a commission for every lead or sale generated through their traffic. This is called cost per action or CPA marketing. CPAGrip has many high-paying offers in different areas like gaming, health, finance, and more. You can promote these offers through social media, email marketing, or paid traffic. Well, so, you're probably asking, why do you use Pinterest? Pinterest is a platform where people search for inspiration and ideas. It has over 320 million monthly active users. It's like a digital bulletin board where people save pictures and links that they find interesting. Pinterest is great for promoting products and services. If you can provide people with relevant content, you can attract them to your website or affiliate link. And the best part is that on Pinterest your posts get a higher chance to get a lot of views. So, to make money with CPAGrip and Pinterest, you need to sign up on these platforms and create high-quality pins that showcase the products or services you're promoting. You can use free design tools like Canva, where you can even use AI tools such as Doll.ai to create eye-catching graphics. Once you add your pins to your boards, you need to optimize them with relevant keywords and descriptions. This will help your pins show up in Pinterest search results and attract more clicks. You can also drive traffic to your pins by sharing them on other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. If you want to invest a little on it, you can use Pinterest's paid advertising platform to reach a wider audience. To make sure to succeed in this, you need to choose offers that are relevant to your niche and audience. Create high-quality pins that stand out and provide value. Use relevant keywords and descriptions on your pins. Use Pinterest's analytics tools to track your performance. Try different types of pins, boards, and keywords to find what works best for you. That's it for today's video on how to make money using CPAGrip and Pinterest. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.